This is the cute little bed and breakfast we are staying at in Chemainus, and Joe and I live just across from Vancouver Island on Salt Spring Island, and we have a little B&B as well over there. So when we go away, we like to stay in B&Bs. Nice. So it is raining out right now, and yesterday was beautiful. Nice little neighborhood, and yeah, you come up these stairs, and it's like a little carriage house. And I guess I should have done a video before. We kind of messed it up a bit, but this gives you an idea of what it was like. It was quite lovely, and she's kind of decorated with all white, lots of clean lines, green, beautiful shower, some really nice leather chairs to sit at, a very ornate Asian influence table. It's gorgeous. It's a little writing desk, and I'm just having my coffee. Yes, cheers. She had beautiful arrangements, so her complete accent color here was lime green. The bed was like a Murphy bed. It's a real gem, and she's got this lovely little garden, very Buddhist, kind of a Zen garden, and we had this cute little kind of a semi-kitchenette. So we have a little fridge, we had a microwave, and a convection oven, and she supplied all the really nice things that you would need to, you know, make yourself a meal if you wanted. And she had dishes, and then this cute little fridge, and she supplied some water and Perrier. Got all your dishes that you would need, a Keurig coffee maker, a double sink here, and this beautiful etched glass window with an eagle, our very northwest coast bird, the eagle. Yeah, overall really beautiful, very quiet, a pretty little view. We can actually see a bit of the ocean. Just love it. Sharon is the host, and we're really happy with our stay here. So Joe and I, again, we love to tour different B&Bs, and especially because we do own a B&B ourselves. So we are always loving their creativity that people put into them, and the love and attention and the care. So hope to be back. I'm sure we will be back to stay here as one of our favorite B&Bs in Chemainus. And there you go, January 2018.